A driver who knocked down and killed an elderly woman and then asked his wife to claim that she was behind the wheel was today sentenced to 4 years in prison. His wife, meanwhile, will serve 6 months behind bars. As Joao da Silva reports, the accident happened while the man's driving licence was suspended.
29-year-old renovation worker Yeung Shu Leung and his wife, 27-year-old Wong Chok Yi, were sentenced at the district court this morning. In September last year, Yeung was driving home after a night of drinking in Tim Sha Tsui when he knocked down and killed a 79-year-old woman near Ping Tin Estate in Lam Tin. Yeung called his wife and told her to go to the scene of the accident. When police arrived, he told the officers that his wife was behind the wheel. Eyewitnesses, though, said he was lying. Both husband and wife pleaded guilty to perverting the course of justice. Yeung also faced 5 other charges, including dangerous driving causing death. In sentencing, the judge pointed out that Yeung had 11 driving-related convictions between 2007 and 2011. The judge said on the day of the accident, Yeung, out of habit, ignored road safety and driving regulations for his own convenience, with no regard for other people. Yeung received prison terms of 3 years and 4 months for dangerous driving causing death and 2 to 4 months for 4 other charges. All these sentences will be served concurrently. As to getting his wife to stand in, the judge called this a serious offence. Although it was not planned in advance, the judge said the move could have misled the police investigation, resulting in the wrong person being convicted. Yeung was given an additional 8 months for the charge of perverting the course of justice, and he will serve 4 years behind bars in total. Yeung's wife, who willingly stood in for her husband, received a 6-month jail term. Yeung Shu Leung will be stripped of his driver's license for 6 years following his release from jail. He will also have to take a driving improvement course before he will be allowed behind the wheel again. Joao da Silva, TVB News.